Yeah, we can start over. Yeah. Everything's going well. Don't worry. We can even move this side. Let's go this side. Let's go this side. Yeah. See how the water is waving? We have our prophet. We are together with him. See the water how it's waving in Atlantic Ocean.
The prophet is in the sea today.
We are with him today in Walvis Bay, Atlantic Ocean. We used to know it in history and geography. These are the Jones Moss everywhere. You can see the places how they are. No trees. It's only the good place. May God bless this man.
Atlantic Ocean.
Yeah.
We used to see it in the map.
Today is here directly.
Starting from 27.
Yeah. The Lord says your dream will come true.
Yes.
If you believe and you understand, see what is happening. He was dreaming about it, but today is there. May Lord bless this man. Let's make a turn once again.
Yeah, now it's moving.
Yeah.
The water now is so high now. The water is so high.
These are the boats are far, look kind of far
The
there.
water is so far. It's now high.
This is the port, one you can see down there. This is the port. We are together with our bishop. We are here in the Makumaro Apostolic Church. Thank you. His name is Odious Kamota.
Yes.
He's here with us today.
Yes.
Walvis Bay.
Walvis Bay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, man of God. Thank you so much. He is Atlantic Ocean. Thank you.
God is power.
Amen.
His power is beyond measure, as you can see.
Excellent. Excellent.
Here.
Right, let us just do this.
Wonderful.